Hello students, good morning everybody. How are you all? Hoping that you are all fine and safe in your home. Okay ma? Students, let us see today exercise 1.2 in unit 1 in your term book, third term book. Okay ma? Take all of you page number 10. First sum, add by using grid 0.51 plus 0.25. The solution we have to do like this ma. Here 0.51 means 51 by 100 and 0.25 means 25 by 100. You know it very well. Okay. Draw like this grid and shade these portions. 51 plus 25, 76. So 0. The answer is 0.76. Okay ma. Shade this portion and write this. Add the following. Second sum, you see, add the following by using place value grid. What is place value grid? You can see in your book, previous page. First you have to write, you have to draw a tabular column with the heading decimal number, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds. Okay ma. After decimal place we have to say the place value as tens, hundreds. Okay ma. First of all you write what are the numbers how do you have to add. 25.8, then 18.53. Okay ma. Then add it. The answer is 44.33. Then you have to draw the place value grid, isn't it? So you have to write the tens value and ones value and tenths value and hundreds value and write the answer. This is the place value grid. Okay ma. Students, I think you could see and draw in your classwork note. Okay ma. Take the second sum, second subdivision, 17.4 plus 23.435. Okay ma. Draw the same place value grid like this and copy down in your classwork note. Okay ma. See the grid. 100 here you are having in second number. After place value there are after the decimal point there are 3 digits, that is tenths, hundreds and thousands also. Okay. Find out the answer and write it. 40.835. Okay ma. See here the third sum. Find the value of 0.46 minus 0.13 by grid model. See here the solution. 0.46 means 46 by 100, isn't it? 0.13 means 13 by 100. So here we have to find out subtraction. So draw the grid like this. 10 by 10 grid draw and shade the first 46 squares and you have to strike out 13 squares. Okay ma. And write the answer. What is the answer? See the solution here. 0.46 minus 0.13 equal to 0.33. Okay ma. Shading the region 0.46 and then crossing out 0.13 from the shaded area. The left out shaded region without cross mark is the difference, isn't it? Okay ma. See that's all. See the fourth sum. Subtract the following by using place value grid. You know we already done in the second sum. The using place value grid we add it. Okay ma. Now we have to do the subtraction. Okay. See the first sum 6.567. Subtract 6.567 from 9.231. Draw the place value grid and find out the answer 2.664. Let us use place value grid for the second sum. 7 minus 3.235. Okay, the answer is 3.765. Students, you have to draw in your classwork note. Do in your classwork note. Draw the tabular column and write down neatly in your note. Okay, ma, see the fifth sum. Simplify 23.5 minus 27.89, then plus 35.4 and minus 17. Here you have to add two number, you have to subtract two number. First of all, see the solution. First you have to add the positive numbers, then add the negative numbers, then subtract it. Okay, ma? First add 23.5 and 35.4. Then add the 27.89 and 17. Find out the answer and subtract it. Answer is 14.01. Okay, ma. See the question number 6. Sulaiman bought 3.350 kg of potato, 2.250 kg of tomato and some onions. If the weight of the total items are 10.250 kg, then find the weight of onions. They have given the weight of potato and tomato. They have asked the, and the total weight also they have given. They asked the onion weight. Total weight of potato and tomato is 5.600. You have to add the tomato and potato weight, then subtract it from the total weight. Okay, you can get the final answer. Weight of onion is 4.650 kg. Okay, ma. See the answer and write down in your classwork note. Question number 7. What should be subtracted from 7.1 to get 0.713? To get the number, we have to subtract 0.713 from 7.1. Okay, ma. Here you can see 7 after decimal. In 7.1 after decimal place there is only one number. In what we have to subtract 0.713. So put 00 on the upper side. Okay, ma. Then find out the subtraction. You can get 6.387. Okay, ma. Copy down in your note. See the question number 8. How much is 35.6 km less than 53.7 km? Simple subtraction. Okay, ma. Do it in your note and copy down. See the question number 9. Akilan purchased a geometry box for rupees 25.75, a pencil for rupees 3.75 and a pen for rupees 17.90. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? See the answer. Cost of geometry box, cost of pencil box, and the cost of pen. Add these numbers, find out the answer, then subtract it from rupees 50. In rupees 50 you have to add two decimal places in 00. In here 50 you have to put 200 for paise. Okay, ma. Then you can subtract it. You get the answer rupees 2.60. The amount he get back from the shopkeeper is rupees 2.60. Okay, ma. Here you can see in 10th sum, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with the side measuring 3.8. You know, for perimeter you have to add all the sides of the shape, isn't it? For or here they have given equilateral triangle. No problem, here also you can add 3 sides and get the answer 11.4 centimeter. Another way you can do 3 into A also, 3 into side, that is also easy. No problem, you can add it. This add the 3 sides. Okay ma, see the objective type questions. Question 1, 1.0 plus 0.83. The answer is 1.83. See the second sum, 7.0 minus 2.83. See the answer is 4.17. Question, subtract 1.35 from 3.51. The answer is 4.17. Sorry ma, there is no option here, isn't it? Then find out the answer, 3.51, isn't it? The answer will be 2.16. The answer will be, here the answer is 2.16. Okay ma. Hmm. 1.35. See the 14th sum. Sum of two decimals 4.78. If one decimal is 3.21, then the other one is the answer 1.57. Question number 15. The difference of two decimals is 86.58 and the one of the decimal is 42.31. Find the other one. You have to subtract it. 86.58 minus 42.31. The difference of two decimals. Here they have added it. They are add it ma. The difference of two decimals is, oh, the difference of two decimal is, send it, 86.58. One of the decimal is 42. Find the other one. So you have to add it. Okay ma. 42.31 plus 86.58. So the answer is 128.89. Students, you all copy down the options in your book. Okay ma. Thank you.